LCD interfacing to PIC. Open MPLAB, open project wizard, select the IC, PIC IC, then select the compiler, go to the compiler, select here compiler, then create the folder on D drive, give the name of folder and open it. Again give the name of folder and save it. Save. Then go to open the file, write the code and save it that file .c. Then go to the source file, right click on the source file and add save file. Okay, now go to the project, build all. See, wait for the message, it built all. Then connect the kit. Now switch on the kit and go to the programmer and select programmer, which is a PIC3 programmer, and wait for the connecting. Connect it, then go to the programmer and program and say yes. Now here connect the hardware, which is a data pins to the port C and power pin to port D. There is a port C and port D you have to connect. Only two pins are you have to connect. Now see, the message will display on the LCD SKNCV Pune. Thank you so much. Like it, share it and subscribe it.